Welcome to Module 3. Today we're going to cover email, which is one of the most important tools you'll use for job searching, running a business, and staying in touch with people. By the end of this module, you'll know how to sign into Gmail, write and send a professional email with an attachment, manage your drafts, set up a signature, and organize your inbox with labels. Let's get started. We're starting in an incognito window in Chrome, which is a private browsing mode that doesn't save your history or sign-in info after you close it. This is a good habit when you're using a shared or public computer. Type gmail.com into the address bar at the top and press Enter. On the Gmail sign-in page, click Create Account. A small menu will pop up asking what the account is for. Click for My Personal Use. On the Basic Information page, enter your birthday and gender, then click Next. Next, you'll choose a username, which becomes your email address. Something like firstname.lastname@gmail.com works well for job searching because it looks professional. Once you've picked one, click Next. Now enter your birthday and gender. Let's write our first email. Click Compose in the upper left corner. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main Gmail layout. On the left side, you've got your inbox and several other folders like Starred, Snoozed, Sent, Drafts, and Spam. Take a moment to get familiar with where everything is. We'll come back to these folders throughout the module. After you click Compose, a small new message window will pop up in the bottom right. To give yourself more room to work, click the full screen icon in the upper right corner of that window. Now the Compose window takes up the whole screen. Let's look at the email we've drafted. Every professional email has three main parts: the greeting, the message, and the closing. Up at the top, we've added a subject line, follow up on job application. Then the greeting, Dear Ms. Lopez. In the middle is the message itself, which is short and clear. It says, I recently applied for the office assistant position and wanted to follow up. I am very interested in the role and would welcome the chance to discuss how my skills can support your team. Please let me know if there is any additional information I can provide. And at the bottom is the closing. Thank you, John Smith. Now let's attach a resume to go with it. Click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. A file window will open showing the folders on your computer. We've got our resume saved in Documents, so click Documents on the left side. Click on the Resume John Smith file to select it, then click Open at the bottom. Gmail automatically saves what you're working on as a draft. You can even click Compose again to start a new message while your first one is still saved in the background. To find a message you were working on, click Drafts in the menu on the left side. You'll see your unfinished emails listed here. Click the checkbox next to a draft to select it. If you have a draft you no longer need, click the Discard Drafts button at the top to permanently remove it. Let's look at how to respond to a message someone has sent you. Here we've opened a security alert from Google. At the top right of the message, click the three dots to see your options. You'll see Reply, Forward, Delete, and several others. Reply sends your response only to the person who wrote the email. Reply All sends it to everyone on the original message, including anyone in the CC line. Be careful with Reply All. This is a common mistake that can send your message to people who don't need it. Let's set up a professional email signature. That's the block of text that automatically appears at the bottom of every email you send. Click the gear icon in the upper right corner of your inbox to open the Quick Settings panel, then click See All Settings. On the Settings page, stay on the General tab and scroll down until you see Signature. Click Create New. A small box will pop up asking you to name this signature. Type in your name and click Create. Your new signature is now ready to edit. In the text box that appears, type the information you want in your signature. A good professional signature includes your full name, phone number, and email address. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Now every email you send will have this information at the bottom. As you start sending and receiving more emails, your inbox can get cluttered fast. Gmail lets you create labels, which work like folders. In the menu on the left, scroll down to Labels and click the plus sign next to it. A window will pop up. Type in a name like Job Applications, since we're in the middle of a job search. Click Create to save the label. Your new Job Applications label now appears in the menu on the left side. You can drag emails onto it or apply the label directly from any open message. You can also give your label a color to make it easier to spot. Hover over the label in the menu and click the 3 dots that appear next to it. Hover over Label Color and pick a color from the options that pop up. And that's a wrap on Module 3. You now know how to sign into Gmail, write and send a professional email with an attachment, manage your drafts, reply to messages, set up a signature, and organize your inbox with labels. These are skills you'll use every day, especially during a job search. In the next module, we'll move on to word processing, where we'll learn how to create polished documents like resumes and cover letters. See you there.